Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Go to search bar and type settings. Click here to open it. On this window, click on personalization, then click on colors. Okay, set it as manual. Then go to accessibility. Turn off this option. Again, go back to display and set it as to 1280720 and close this window. Then open control panel. Now search for power options. Click here to open it. Then set it as to balanced and change its settings and close this window. In the next step, again click on search bar and type device manager. Open it. Then expand display adapters. Right click on it and click on update drivers. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.